Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing great and having a great time. And I just quickly want to start with a little introduction of myself. My name is Rudimita Majumdar and I'm currently living in Mumbai. I've been working here for the past 3 years as a journalist and I'm staying with my husband. I will definitely take you through a tour of my house later. But now I would like to share with you some of the things I plan to put up on my YouTube channel and especially what this channel is about. So this channel will be primarily about my health and fitness journey, which I started around 2 years back. And since then I've almost lost about 36 kilos, and it's been an incredible journey, a very informative one, and I would like to share all of it with you guys. And if I can make even a little bit change in your lives through my journey, through the things that I have learned, I think it would be great. So yeah, so primarily this channel would be about that, and also these 2 years have been really important in my life in the sense that it has changed the way I look at fitness and health today. I am at a far better position in terms of my health, because when I started off I wasn't in a very good spot. I had a couple of lifestyle diseases, and it was like a wake-up call for me that I had to take care of my health. And that's when I started, and slowly and steadily I have reached here today. I wouldn't say that the journey is over. I'm still on the journey and I still have a long way to go. But then these 2 years have been a great experience. It has been a great learning experience for me, and so I thought that I would share all of it with you guys, because I'm sure it's gonna help you in some way or the other. Guys, another thing I feel is very important is the kind of lifestyle we are leading, because 2 years back when I started on this journey I was having a very unhealthy lifestyle, and it really didn't help me. And I somehow cannot relate to the kind of life I used to lead then, because now there has been like a 360-degree change in the lifestyle. And I'm glad that I could make that change, because I think it is one of the most important changes you need to make, is the way we lead our lives. Like, whatever we do since the time we wake up and till we go to bed, I think all of it matters a lot, and I will share all of that with you, how I brought about those changes bit by bit. Nothing happens in a haste. Take it slowly. Everything has to change slowly over a period of time. And even in terms of health and fitness, you will see the changes bit by bit. Nothing will happen overnight. It's taken me years to reach where I am, and I'm glad that I am here. These are the things that would come up on my YouTube channel, and it will be about health and fitness. It will be about my sense of style and fashion, some fashion styling tips, and also I'm a huge makeup lover. Like, I'm a makeup hoarder, as you would call it, and eventually I will share like a lot of stuff regarding makeup, and I will also share some makeup looks with you that I do on a regular basis, like when I'm going out for work, or I'm going out for a movie, or for a brunch or something. So yeah, and I believe in super quick makeup. I don't like using a lot of products. I have my absolute favorites, and I will show you how you can actually do a very clean makeup in just 15 minutes. So yeah, all of that will eventually come up, and I will also share a lot of things that I have learned over this period of 2 years, and how I've brought about the changes. Enjoy all of it, and till then, if you want to subscribe to my channel, then please do subscribe. And also, eventually when I start putting up the videos, then do hit the bell icon for more updates. And I would like to sign off by saying, please be healthy, please be happy, and focus on fitness, guys, because that's all that matters. And I have learned it the hard way. I wouldn't want anybody to learn it the hard way. So here I am to motivate you to push yourself and achieve whatever you want in terms of fitness. Bye, and love you all.